This is a smartwatch, Apple Watch, 3rd series one, and we're gonna change the touch screen. We're gonna separate it from the LCD digitizer and put a new one. So we wanna put it back on because the touch screen, it doesn't work. We're gonna need the new touch screen. So this is gonna be stick here in the LCD digitizer, so it's gonna be on top of it. And then we need the 3D touch sensor. This one measures the pressure and as well keeps the screen stick there. And then we need some screwdrivers. We got this machine from eBay and stuff, and we need this one, so we separate them. And we got some Lorca glue, so this is gonna stick the screen and the touch screen. And the UV light, so it's gonna be frozen then after. To open this, you really need to warm it up. Usually we warm it up with a hair dryer, and it needs a lot of heat. But today, this one, it doesn't need that much because this has been actually changed before, the touch screen. So we need just a little bit. And to open it very easy when it's from factory, you need a razor blade from barbers. So that one is so thin, so you can do it there and just undo this sticker all around. And it doesn't leave marks and stuff because it's so thin. But this is gonna be easy to open anyway. Now I'm gonna heat this up. And we're gonna try to open it. After heating this very well, put this razor blade inside. Here we are. Now we can undo it, as I did it. I'm gonna hold with this, and I'm gonna just do it. Now this is the watch, this is the screen. Now all we're gonna do, we're gonna just change this. This is the screen here, and then this is the digitizer, the touch screen. Next step, we're gonna put it here, so it's gonna be heated and be separated. screen. Screen digitizer is fully working or not, so we don't put the new touch on it if it's in case damaged or stuff like that. But now I see this is fully working and it's all fine, so we're gonna go ahead and stick the new touch screen in it. And then after we're gonna put it back together. And what I'm gonna do, this is the screen. This is the screen touch sensor in it, all around of it. So I'm gonna remove this screw from here, and this is from the Toolkit engine. Toolkit engine, as far as I know, is the vibrating stuff in it. And then I'm gonna open this. So I'm gonna undo this, so because it's attached in it, and I'm gonna attach the new one, and then I'm gonna put it back all together. And then after we're gonna stick the new screen in it. So it's gonna be with new touch sensor, so it's gonna have the new glue on it as well. So it's gonna be like kind of same like factory stuff on it, so properly done. Usually we have a liquid that is Lorca remover, like it's exactly for this kind of sticker stuff to remove it, but today I'm using just a normal wet tissue. And I'm going to remove this Lorca gently. Don't put pressure on it. If you're going to put pressure on this digitizer, this is going to be screwed, so it's going to be not functional anymore. Do it really easy and gently. Be patient. It does take its time, so take it easy. Now I'm going to use some acetone on it. This makes things easy, I think. Yeah, it does make it. Yeah, this makes things a little bit easier. It's the first time I use this thing, and you can find it easy everywhere. Now we're nearly done, but remember, don't use any razors, don't use any screwdrivers to clean this. Just paper or really soft cloth, so don't put pressure in it. Be patient until you will get all this done, so it's gonna be all off. It's nearly done. Got a little bit here in the corner. Everything is all down now. It is down. It is in a good condition. And when you stick it back together, make sure it's properly clean. So it's not going, the screen is not going to be dirty then after. It's same stuff as with the screen protector and stuff. So it's going to be stick together and need to be properly clean. I'm gonna put this here. Don't put pressure. After cleaning it, when I stick that back together, remember this cable should be all in this side when this cable is. And just leave it there, don't put pressure in it. And position it in center. That's it. Center, just use something like this. Position it. It does get stronger eventually, but I'm just doing this for the sides because really you need to do it from the screen side, but it's just for now so it gets a little bit stronger as a sticker. It's already frozen. I think this thing is already frozen. I'm gonna remove the screw from here and remove the flex cable. That's not a problem if you do it like that, so fine. Flex is right here. like this. So it's done. Now I'm gonna put a tape all around it. I'm gonna leave it for some minutes. So it's gonna be like this for a couple of minutes, and then after it's all fine, it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.